Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect funding pips to TradingView. So first of all, you need to come here on fundingpips.com. Then you need to sign in into your account. Now, if you have an account, it is well and good. But if you don't have it, you can just simply use the link and the codes that are given in the description to get 20% discount on your purchases. Now over here, when you have your account here, you need to simply just select your account first. Then after selecting your account, inside it you are going to see your credentials, so you need to simply just click on that and get those credentials from here. Now after doing this, you need to simply launch your TradingView application and then log in into it. Now after logging in, you can launch any of the charts. For example, let's say I've launched the chart of gold. So after launching the chart, simply click on the option of trade here on the top right hand corner. Then among the given options, you just have to simply search for funding pips. Now, as you can see, funding pips is not currently available over here. It simply means that you can't directly connect funding pips with your a TradingView account. So the only workaround that you can use is you can just simply connect your funding pips account to the MT5 account or the C Trader account or the Match Trader account, depending on what platform you chose when you were creating your account. So most probably we all are going to choose MT5. So you need to use those credentials in order to log in into your MT5 account, and inside the dashboard of MT5 itself you are going to see the chart of gold or any other currencies that you basically choose. So there inside MT5 you can also use the tools. So that's how you can basically use the TradingView charts on funding pips. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.